Hi, so for this video, I will show you how to turn on captions on TikTok. So now go ahead and launch your TikTok application. Long press the video and this prompt will pop up on your screen. On the upper part, there are icons. Select the third option, which is the captions. You can turn on the captions feature on the TikTok application by tapping on the button right beside the captions. You will know that this feature has been enabled when the button has turned blue. And from here, your videos will now have captions that are seen on the lower left corner of your screen. Now take note that even though you have enabled this feature, not all of the videos that you will see will have captions, as there are videos that their captions are unavailable. If this feature is unavailable to your TikTok application, this means that your TikTok application has not been updated to its latest version. Therefore, you may need to visit your Play Store application and from there update your TikTok app. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.